Some grant experts make more money selling courses than winning grants. Want some harsh truth? Some so-called grant experts are making more money selling courses writing than winning grants. And who is paying the price? The non-profits. And here is how it happens. You run a small non-profit, you're trying to create real impact in your community. So you search for help, and everywhere you look, you hear the following: buy my course, learn my secret framework, get certified before you apply. So invest. Another course, another PDF, another 5 hours training, another folder full of resources. But months later, you still haven't submitted a single proposal. Still no funding, just more preparations. Meanwhile, organizations with less experience are applying consistently, and they're getting funded. Here's what most people won't tell you: funders don't reward organizations that know the most. They reward organizations that submit well structured proposals aligned with their priorities. That's why grant success isn't an information problem, it's an execution problem. You don't need another course, you need a repeatable system that helps you finish stronger proposals again and again. That's why we build GrantsWriterAI. This is GrantsWriterAI. As you can see it here, it's being used in over 60 plus countries. Over 10,000 plus users onboarded. Can help you cut costs up to 85%. How? You'll get to do away with those grant gurus, grant writers, or even freelancers that you've been hiring. Let's check the pricing. So as you can see, the pricing here, super affordable to non-profits. $7 a month, you get to generate 40 proposals. Super affordable. The sweet spot is growth tier, which you get to pay $17 a month, and here you'll generate 70 proposals a month. Yes, you heard that right, 70 proposals for just $17 a month. And pro, you get unlimited generations. Yes, you can generate up to 1,000 proposals if you wish. Okay, and as you can see, our generous donors have helped us slash prices by 50%, and in some instances by 80%. As you can see here, at pro tire, the pricing was about $100, but now it's going for 32. That's a whooping 80% reduction in price. Growth is about 50%. Starter is about, again, see, our free trial is giving you about 7 proposals a month. So if you want to give this tool a spin, you could start with free trial. So this is how the tool looks at the back end. So these are all the templates that are available. Currently I'm using Pro, so this is the Pro here, Unlimited. And you can see I have all the templates with me. So this is where all the magic happens: generate proposal. So here it's a matter of you coming and selecting the template that suits you need at that particular moment. So if you want to send out a concept note before curating a full proposal, here is the template. We also have a cover letter as well, technical memo. If you want to give program report, again, you can use the tool. We have pitch deck, log frame, theory of change, smart indicators, and structured budgets. Again, another feature I find game changing is collaboration. So this means you can always work on your proposal with your fellow team members. You don't have to to work on a proposal alone. You can invite as many of your team members to work on a proposal, inject unique perspective and what have you. So these are all the templates that we have. We even have expression of interest. It is, we have expression of interest, and we, for organizations that are fiscally sponsored and want to start chasing those funding opportunities, we have a proposal template for you here. So we have all these templates at your disposal. Another feature I find game changing in this organization setup, I call it knowledge section, where you can come pre-fill all the information that are super critical to your non-profit, like the registration number, phone number, email, organization name. So this means once you pre-fill this info, you don't have to do it over and over. Whenever you're generating proposals, you can always come fill your mission, vision, what you do, program areas. Another holy grail feature I find super useful is this brand voice guidelines. So this is where you get to tell our tool, hey, this is how I usually sound when I'm curating proposals. So if you wanna sound unique, if you wanna sound in a way that reflects your value as a non-profit, this is the place to come and guide our tool. You can come here, fill the milestone, achievements, impact height. So why do all this? So this will be injected into your proposal naturally, and some of the critical information like registration number, the milestones stroke achievement, are what I call trust indicators, and they can go a very long way to help your case in the eyes of proposal reviewers. Another feature I usually find game changing in this tool is the ability to improve weaker sections in your proposal. So for instance, here I have a full proposal here with the executive summary, introduction, problem statement and justification, and all that, even the logical framework. So again, the tool gives me ability to go section by section. For instance, I can come here at executive summary. So if I feel like this executive summary is weak and it's not representing what my organization does, I can always come here and give the AI custom instructions. Another thing is, I can always come here, check the score. We call donor review score. And let's see the score we're gonna get. Oh, we got 85, but still we have recommendations and risks. So what you can do, you can always come, copy these ones, and tell the AI to implement. Here, come here, paste them like that. Tell the AI, hey, I want this parts to reflect what you've just recommended me, the risks and the recommendations. And here we go. This is the improved version. You can always come here. So like I said, this tool breaks your full proposal into sections so that it can becomes easier for you to edit, to humanize each section of your proposal step by step. And each section, you can always tell the AI, hey, come. You can always come and put custom instructions here. Also, rather than you putting custom instructions, you can always come and tell the AI to regenerate. And then you'll go through your proposal section. In this case, this is project description, and so this is the regenerated version. Another thing is, if you have additional information you wish to upload so that you can improve a particular section of your proposal, this is a part. Okay, and like I said, you can always collaborate, you can always collaborate with people, meaning that you can always leave comments or feedbacks or even questions for your team members to find and discuss about. So this is GrantsWriterAI, the tool to help you create bankable, fundable proposals. So you don't need to have attended a grant writing class to use this tool. Why am I saying this? We have a how-to video here. So if you watch this video till end, so this is a video, if you watch it, you'll know how to use this tool fully. It'll only take about 30 minutes.
So meaning is, it's a generalist.
Boom. You already know how to use the tool. You're probably asking, why can't I just use ChatGPT? Of course you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is excellent at generating texts, but grant proposals are not just about writing. They're about structure, alignment, scoring, budgets, logic, submission readiness, and all that. So generic AI like ChatGPT will give you words, but GrantsWriter AI will give you a complete proposal system. So it is the difference between asking for directions and having a GPS that guides you to your destination. So the real cost isn't in that course you're already pursuing. Here's the opportunity cost that most non-profits like yours never calculate. Every month, they spend money buying another course instead of submitting another proposal. It's another funding opportunity that passes by. So every delayed application could be a project left unfunded, a community left waiting, an opportunity costs. So stop buying more courses, stop buying more information, and start building proposals that get submitted and stand a better chance of getting funded. So try GrantsWriter AI for free, test it on your next proposal, see your score before you submit.